Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making a very sweet marble cake using Milo and the ordinary cake mix. I will be using the plain cake mix. Here goes. At this point, I'm gonna add 1/3 of a cup of oil, vegetable oil preferably. After which I will add 3 eggs that were whisked. Mix it in or stir it in, whichever. After which I will continue to mix until the oil is combined with the eggs properly. Then I will add 3/4 of a cup of water, combine it with the eggs and the oil. After which I will add my cake mix. So here goes in the cake mix. So this is how I add. I add a small amount and fold it or mix it in and mix it out. Make sure it is dissolved, at least if not all, most of it. Then I will go ahead and pour the remainder in and fold it in or mix it in until all the cake mixture has turned into liquid, guys. It should be creamy, thick, and rich. Not too thick and not too watery or too not too liquidy, if there's such a word. If you know what I mean. Yeah. So I guess my dog was saying no, there's no such word as that liquid word that I spoke about. However, we're going to continue to mix until everything is dissolved, as I said before, after which I will add a cork of vanilla. A cork is about 1 tablespoon. Yeah, so I will add a tablespoon of vanilla. After adding the vanilla, you know what to do next, right? Mix it in. Make sure it's evenly distributed. So you mix it, you mix it, you mix it. After which, we're gonna add some rum. That's rum. The rum helps to preserve it somewhat. It also helps with minimizing the rawness of the eggs since I didn't remove the egg yolks. So that's why I will add the rum, and it gives a little flavor to for those of you all love rum who love rum. Yeah, that rummy flavor. So we mix it in so that it is distributed throughout the batter. Yes, or throughout the mixture. You're not really gonna taste the rum though because I didn't add much. It's about 2 tablespoons. Now that I have completed mixing out the batter, adding all the ingredients, now we're gonna reach for our Milo. But before we reach for our Milo, we're gonna pour some of the mixture into a separate bowl. Then add the Milo, add some Milo to it, make it that Milo will make it somewhat chocolate, chocolate flavor. So you mix the Milo into the mixture, distribute it until keep mixing until you see the mixture changes color to that chocolate color, and it is smooth and has no powder in it. Yes. I have gone ahead and added a small amount of water to the mixture because after adding the Milo, it became too thick. However, after mixing, we're gonna add some mixture to our fry pan. So we're gonna pour it into one side of the pan. After which, I will pour the chocolate, the one that was mixed with the Milo, into the middle of the file pan. Then on the other side, I will pour the remaining of white mixture, white butter on the other side. Then I will hold the pan and give it a good shake. Shake down the brown, shake down the white, just shake it so it can be at least distributed properly into the baking pan. So before shaking, I'll continue to add all the mixture and I will also add some of the white cake mixture on top of the brown so when it bakes it can have a nice little marble pattern going on. So I'm gonna shake, make sure it's evenly distributed and it's good in the baking pan, settles well in the baking pan. The oven has been preheated, so it's about that time. I'm going to put the mixture into the oven and allow it to bake for at least 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes should bake it. And I actually have something baking in here, guys. I have a total real Jamaican total baking. Also, there you have it, guys. It's that time. It is baked. I've removed it from the oven. And this is what it looks like. I'll be cutting it. I'll be tasting it. And I'll be eating it. Who wants some? Thanks for watching. Thanks for continuing to support the channel. I am back and I'm back from good. I'm not gonna stay away.